I came to copper looking for a reason to sell, but I think I have a reason to buy. Copper ended July with a huge gap down open. This is not shown here. This was a result of some tariff news. The rule of going with the break of a gap day played out nicely here. It's not shown, but after the gap day, I like to play a buy above that gap day's high or a sell below that gap day's low. Here we had a break above that gap day's high, and I believe that's the green dotted line, which on late in September, this is a 4-hour chart, you had the gap down and the test of that line, and then a rally back up with another huge, even bigger gap up, forming an island of prices that don't connect to the previous or following bars. And again, this is my pattern number 1 in my 9 patterns that signal a trend change, and I think it did. And then moving forward, we see that price carried through to the upside and then pulled back via another gap where it traded a few days. I've highlighted both of these gaps in circles. I'm talking about the second circle here. You've had about 3 or 4 days here. And that was broken out by a gap up above the entirety of the ranges of that island, hence the term island, with a move up. What's not shown here, which caught my attention first of all, was that MACD did not confirm these recent highs. So you have a possible divergent top here. But delving deeper, I noticed that COPX, COPX, that's the ETF for copper miners, is at 12-year highs. So I don't think you can fade the copper miners. I think they know a little bit more than most average traders know. So I'm expecting maybe a little bit of a pullback here and then a move to new subsequent move highs and maybe even higher. Next, let's go to coffee.